Hello, my name is Valerie. I'm the cooking writer for Reviewed. We are a product review site that we review kitchen gadgets, TVs, headphones. If there's anything you want us to review, please comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome, fantastic pumpkin pie from scratch. And here we have some flour and some butter. I chopped them up. Please make sure that the butter are cold. We want really cold butter. 1 egg yolk. And I would like to add a pinch of salt. If you do want to add some white sugar, optional choice would be maybe a 1/4 cup or less. I'm not a sweet person, so we're just gonna skip sugar. I also prepared some ice cold water, but before that, I'm going to use a pastry blender to mix the dough. It's pretty much like a potato masher. You basically press it down, use a little bit of force. You wanna make sure that the flour is well combined with the butter. Okay, gotta do this. It's a short person problem. And now it's time to add 1 tablespoon water at a time. See, we're getting there. So that would be enough water. This is gonna combine eventually. I poured a 1/4 cup flour to flour the surface. If possible, put your hand in some ice cold water. Now I'm just mixing the dough, put it together and shape it. Put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And the fridge. Now we're back. Look at the pie crust. It's so well formed, so a little bit hard. So we're gonna let it cool for 20 minutes before use. What you want to see is when you press it down, it's not hard that it's impossible to press it, but it's also not too soft that just gets squishy. Gently flour the surface. Also, use some remaining flour. Flour your pin. We also talked a lot about different types of rolling pin in our review roundup. Our best rolling pin is the kind that I'm holding, which is tapered, as opposed to the one that rolls around. The reason why I like them is because they're easier to work with. I'm serious. Let's get started. See how smooth that works? And you can just do this as opposed to drag it. Make sure there's a lot of flour. Isn't it so satisfying to roll out pie dough? For those of you who really want to know how to make sure that the dough has even thickness, you can use these guys. My partner just throws them everywhere. With a beer cap, you can put them on the edges and see if they are even, but there are also tools you can get online. So this is my pie dish. It's ceramic. It's our best pie dish winner. And just look at it. It has really nice ceramic touch. I'm just gonna flour a little because it's ceramic. It holds heat pretty well and it bakes a beautiful pie. It's just that simple. I love it. This is what I do when I place my pie onto the dish. It's the best way. I find it easy because I have a French rolling pin, so that's what I do. It's easiest for me. Now you want to, oh, the pie feels so nice. You want to pat it really gently. This is how you do the edges. So your left hand's gonna be in like a pinching position and use your pointer finger, pinch in. Do like little pinches. See how beautiful it is. Okay, we're almost there. You can first use your knuckles to punch it down. Make sure you don't punch it too hard. And then use a fork, gently press, and make sure that you're not pressing through bottom of the pie. Okay, let's do egg wash. Just on the edges, we're giving it an egg wash to make it pretty and luxurious and professional when it comes out of the oven. Improvise time. Green beans. They're not gonna be affected if I put them under heat or whatever. So I'm gonna use them as pie weights. Gonna bake it at 400 for, let's say, 10 minutes. Okay, let's set up a timer. While the pie crust is getting blind baked, we're going to make this pumpkin puree from scratch. So I already cooked halfway through. If you're gonna do it from the beginning, just use half pumpkin chopped in 2 pieces, heavy cream, and 2 cups of milk. Eggs, there are 3 of them, and some nutmeg, cinnamon, and cardamom. Light brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar as opposed to white sugar because it gives pumpkin pie its unique color. It's kind of dark brown, really folly, really nice. Here we have my secret kitchen weapon, which is an immersion blender. It's really easy to use. You just press it. But what I really love about immersion blender is just how smooth it gets in a pot as opposed to I had to transfer the food from the pot and get it into a blender and I had to clean the blender afterwards. With this one, it rinses under water and let it dry. It's super simple. You don't have to clean the pot, and I don't like clean pots. So I just took the pie crust out of the oven. It looks perfect, amazing. You can see the egg wash definitely is working, and I'm going to fill the pie. This is gonna bake for another 10 minutes at least. I'm gonna check periodically until the whole thing kind of forms into. Yeah. We're here making a meringue. We have 3 egg whites, half cup of granulated sugar, and some cream of tartar. The meringue is ready when you put it over your head and try if it falls.
Do it.
It's not falling. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not falling. Okay, it's not falling. Be confident. Okay, Valerie, be confident. You got this. So yeah, we're good. This is what we call the stiff peaks. I'm just filling up the piping bag. I highly recommend when you're getting your piping tips, I definitely highly recommend steel, like metal ones, as opposed to the plastic ones. It's really like, it's like hot and ready. Okay, here we have this delicious pumpkin pie. Look at it. All the egg wash has been paid off, and all the time that we spent on using the pastry blender to combine the pie. It's all good. It's delicious and it smells so amazing. Okay, so we're gonna torch it, getting a little bit of brown on the tips of our meringue topping. Like, I'm really nervous. Ooh, that's so fast. I feel like I'm getting a burn. Gonna decorate it. While we baked the pie, we had a little bit of leftover dough, so we used these fantastic fall-themed cookie cutter. You can use them for Halloween cookies. You can use them for Thanksgiving pie making. Those are great. And we use them to cut out little pumpkins. And we have a little pumpkin batch over here. I'm going to decorate our pie. This is a pumpkin pie with torched or scorched meringue topping. Happy fall, enjoy your pie. Let me know how it goes, and please leave a comment down below if you follow our recipe and our steps, or if you like any products you would recommend for baking pie. Let us know. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you next time.